Without doubt, a sixth mass extinction event is occurring. Part 2. The flightless lice-on rail of the Hawaiian Islands was extinct by 1923. Largely because of the introduction of invasive rabbits and, ultimately, the Second World War. Ehrlich and his colleagues add to these findings. Looking to recent extinctions that have already happened. According to their work, which was published in the journal Science Advances, even extremely conservative estimates say that species are currently disappearing about 100 times faster than normally seen between mass extinctions, called the background rate. And this, amazingly, is even after the researchers accounted for an adjusted background rate, after a 2011 study headed by Berkeley researchers determined that the background rate for mammals specifically is twice as fast as once thought. It looks like modern extinction rates resemble mass extinction rates. Even after setting a high bar for defining mass extinction. Anthony D. Barnosky, a research paleontologist and the principal author of the study, explained in a past statement. Specifically, he and his colleagues estimated that within the past 500 years, at least 80 mammal species have gone extinct out of a starting total of 5,570 species. Comparatively, the average extinction rate for mammals is less than 2 extinctions every million years. Ehrlich adds that his new paper is basically the icing on the cake of that already substantial argument, showing verified and bolstered data about the current rate of extinction. If it is allowed to continue, life would take many millions of years to recover, and our species itself would likely disappear early on, said lead author Gerardo Ceballos of the Universidad Autónoma de Mexico. We emphasize that our calculations very likely underestimate the severity of the extinction crisis. Because our aim was to place a realistic lower bound on humanity's impact on biodiversity. The researchers added. That is to say, they wanted to consider natural causes alongside the undeniable role land development, the introduction of invasive species, via shipment, pets, etc., man-made carbon emissions, and pollution have played in the extinction of species. We are sawing off the limb that we are sitting on. Ehrlich said, pointing the extinction of species like bees, which we heavily rely upon to survive. Avoiding a true sixth mass extinction will require rapid, greatly intensified efforts to conserve already threatened species, and to alleviate pressures on their populations. And if that doesn't work, perhaps some other intelligent species will look back millions of years from now and call this time the mankind event, the newest member of the Big Six.